In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis, but more precisely, we will work with quelques-uns and quelques-unes. So the main question is, what are les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis? We use the indefinite pronouns and determiners when we don't want to be too precise. And this is the key thing. These déterminants, pronoms indéfinis are used when we don't want to be too precise. And we would rather give a more general word to speak about a person, a place, or a thing. So it will be possible to use them for a person, a place, or a thing. And so this lesson is about quelques-uns, quelques-unes. And it does mean some. So it refers to a limited and indeterminate number of persons or things. And as a pronoun, it refers to a noun that precedes it. So it's quite important, and we'll have some examples to make it clear. Si tu veux des conseils, je vais t'en donner quelques-uns. Si tu veux des conseils, je vais t'en donner quelques-uns. So the first thing that we can see is that we use it as a pronoun, and then it is definitely connected to the noun that precedes it, and it's des conseils. Des conseils is a masculine noun, so we will go for quelques-uns, masculine form. Regarde ces belles tomates. Tu en veux quelques-unes? Regarde ces belles tomates. Tu en veux quelques-unes? So same situation here. We use it as a pronoun. It replaces belle tomate. So we had to mention it previously. Here you can see that tomate is feminine, plural. So we will go for the feminine form, quelques-unes. So remember, masculine form quelques-uns because it's connected to conseil, feminine form quelques-unes because it's connected to tomate. Let's have two more examples. Vous avez trop de valises? Je peux en prendre quelques-unes dans ma voiture. Vous avez trop de valises? Je peux en prendre quelques-unes dans ma voiture. So here, we use quelques-unes, feminine form, because it replaces valise, feminine, plural, noun. Quelques-unes. Ces melons ont l'air délicieux. Je pourrais en acheter quelques-uns. Ces melons ont l'air délicieux. Je pourrais en acheter quelques-uns. So in that situation, quelques-uns does replace melon here. And so, of course, in that case, it's masculine plural. So we go for quelques-uns.